recognize the outstanding work of dietitian, the Indian Association of Parental and Enteral Nutrition announces for the first time the Quality Awards, which will felicitate the dietitians across the country for their contribution in the field of nutrition and dietetics.
Hello all, I'm dietitian Richa Shukla. I'm a registered dietitian and I'm presently working as the head of clinical nutrition department at Jahangir Hospital, Pune. I'm also the honorary scientific head for IAPN Pune chapter. Extremely delighted to share this news with you all that IAPN has announced IAPN Quality Awards for the best nutrition practices in India. And we, our dietitians, our fellow dietitians and clinical nutritionists can apply and participate in the various categories based on their exceptional performances in whether innovation, creativity, leadership or best nutrition practices. They'll be recognized and felicitated at the national level. So make the best use of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Srimati Venkatraman, working as Chief Clinical Dietitian in a critical care hospital in Bangalore. This video is to appeal to our fraternity of dietitians to apply for the Quality Awards, which is announced by the Indian Association of Parental Enteral Nutrition. All hospitals who are dealing with all settings are eligible to apply. I appeal to the fraternity to use this as a platform to announce that nutritional care is very important for the treatment of patients and better outcomes. And this Quality Awards will be done by IAPN Selection Committee. So we look forward to all your applications and all the best. Thank you.
Are you an aspiring nutritionist or your work left unseen? Hi, I'm Uma Shankari, working as assistant dietitian in Jigma, Puducherry. Here is a great opportunity. IAPN Global Nutrition Program announces IAPN Quality Award for Best Nutrition Practices in India. Come on, grab the opportunity. Tell everyone that we are also a part of medical care team. Thank you.
Hello, this is Koelpal Chaudhary, research dietitian as well regional officer of IAPN Kolkata chapter. I would like to invite all the dietitians to participate in IAPN Quality Awards to recognize your quality performance towards the welfare of society and acknowledge your organization for doing the same. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Deepshita Chakravarti. I am the head of the dietetics department, the Calcutta Medical Research Institute. I would like to thank IAPN for taking a great initiative for this IAPN Quality Award, which will help and motivate all practicing clinical dietitians. And I would like to request as many as clinical dietitians who are practicing in the healthcare sector to come forward and take a participation in this Quality Award, so that all our good work is being awarded and excellence can be taken into consideration, and IAPN can focus the work, the hard work you all have put in. Thank you.
Myself, Dimi ETP. IAPN Award has taken the world by storm. It has infused a lot of attention and excitement. I don't know whether I'll win any prize, but I'm sure I will participate. So wish me luck. Thank you.
Namaste, I am Babita Hazarika, the Chief Dietitian of Apollo Gleneagles Hospitals, Kolkata. The Global Nutrition Program of IAPN Quality Awards will definitely help in benchmarking the nutritional processes in the organization. A dietitian should come forward and participate, as it will give them the opportunity to compare with others of the same fraternity and target towards following the best practices. It is surely a platform for the dietitians to get motivated and a platform for recognition. Thank you.
Good evening, this is Rajeshwari, Treasurer IAPN Chennai chapter. We welcome all the dietitians to participate in the Quality Award of IAPN to showcase your work and your organization to get recognized at the national level. Thank you.
Hi all, I am Datta Patel, Chief Dietitian at D.Y. Patel Hospital, Navi Mumbai, and also Regional Officer Navi Mumbai Chapter, IAPN. I am glad that IAPN GNP is coming up with the Quality Awards, and we all can be a part of it. It's a great platform to come together, showcase our work, and let's learn from everyone. Please participate and all the best.